Hey there folks, today's topic is critical, how Proton66 is targeting Houston businesses. Let's dive right in. Impress IT. Solutions in West Houston is sounding the alarm. Since January 2025, a Russian-based bulletproof hosting provider called Proton66 has been facilitating global cyber attacks. And yes, Houston businesses are in the crosshairs. So what exactly is Proton66? These guys provide a safe haven for cybercriminals, allowing them to launch and sustain attacks without fear of being shut down. They specialize in hosting malware servers, concealing phishing infrastructure, and running brute force login attacks. Proton66's infrastructure includes some nasty IP blocks and ASN ranges, actively involved in credential brute force attempts, vulnerability scanning, and even redirecting mobile users to phishing APKs. They're also spreading ransomware like Weaksor and SuperBlack. Now, let's talk vulnerabilities. Proton66 is exploiting high-risk CVEs like authentication bypasses in Palo Alto Panos, command injections in D-Link NAS, and input validation flaws in Mattel Micolab. If these aren't patched, you're essentially leaving the door wide open. What type of malware are we talking about? There's Xworm, a remote access tool that can steal files and control systems, Strela Stealer, an info stealer targeting German speakers, and Weaksor ransomware, which encrypts your data and demands a hefty ransom. On top of that, there are Android phishing APKs masquerading as legitimate apps. So how do you protect your business? Impress IT Solutions has a game plan. They offer geo-IP and host-based threat blocking, continuous vulnerability monitoring, and patch management to keep your systems updated. They also use AI-driven tools for threat intelligence and behavior analysis, and robust phishing and endpoint protection to stop malware before it hits your devices. If your organization uses any affected platforms like Palo Alto, Fortinet, D-Link or Mattel, has remote users, hosts public-facing web apps, or runs unpatched infrastructure, it's time to act. Get in touch with Impress IT Solutions for a security audit, IP block list update, and patch status review. Don't wait until it's too late. Your business's security is in your hands. Stay safe. That's it for today's update. Make sure to like and subscribe for more essential cybersecurity tips. See you next time.